Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On this occasion, I would like to tell you guys on how to make a tiny bit hand gesture. So now, the first thing that, but before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Asberda Pravira. I'm from 8A. And now let's get back to the video. So now, the first thing that you want to do is open your browser, Chrome, Firefox, Brave, or anything that you have, and then open the first link, and that is makecode.microbit.org. And then after that, you make a new file, and that is tinybit hand gesture. And now uh, on your editor, the first thing that you want to do is just open the settings first, and then just then turn on the settings, no pairing required. And after that you save it. Now we will install the first what the first extension, and that is the tinybit. So now right here we can just press on the search bar, and then you search on your is tinybit extension GitHub. So now after you on here you click the first link, and after that you copy the link, and then you paste it in the search bar. Now right here, so now we just press the tiny bit, and then we wait for downloading extension and adding it. So now the next thing that we want to do is the Bluetooth extension, and then we just install it. Here's the Bluetooth service. Yes. And then now, as you can see here, we have the two main extension for us to use, and that is the Bluetooth and the tinybit. So now, the next thing that we want to do is we will make the code in Python. So now, we will just prepare for the what for the main things that you need to do, and that is coding on Python. Okay, so now we will code it. Okay, so now the first thing that we want to use is we will make a function that if the Bluetooth is connected, we will show an icon that indicating that the Bluetooth is on. So now right here we just use def, and then on Bluetooth connected, and then on the pass we will show basic dot show what show icon underscore icon, and the icon names we will use yes. Okay, so that is the first code, and this code will do if the microbit is connected to the Bluetooth, and it will show a yes icon. So we can know if it's connected to Bluetooth or not. So now the next thing that we want to code if uh, and then the next thing that we want to do is we will on the first one um, we will show we will turn on the Bluetooth. Sorry ya, on the first code we just Bluetooth dot start underscore UART service, and then we will search basic dot show underscore string, and then in the middle of the two here, and then we just type control dot device name, right here. So this is the first code. So the first line is to turn on the Bluetooth. The second one is to show the Bluetooth device name. And then this is for when the device is connected to Bluetooth, it will what? It will it will show an icon. Yes, icon. So now the next thing that you want to do is we will make a variable for the microbit to receive the data from the Lofi robot controller, and then we just type data, and then we just tanda kutip, and then we just fill it blank. Okay, so now we will make the code, and if the microbit gets signal from the Lofi controller, the microbit will move, and the tiny bit will move. So we just use def on underscore your data received. So now this will show that if the if the if there is data received from the Bluetooth UART, and then it will run the code below. So now right here we will just type if the variable that our variable data equals to equals to maju, and then we will if, and then tiny bit tiny bit dot card underscore control tiny bit car run. So this code is if the condition if data equals to if the data received is maju, the tiny bit will run forward. So now we will make elif for the second condition, and that is if data equals to mundur. So now the we will just type the same like the below, tiny bit dot car control, and then on the car run we change it to car back. Okay, so now we will make another elif for the left and right condition if data equals to equals to equals to kanan, and then we will tiny bit dot car control, and then on the car run we change it to car spin right. Okay, so now if you want to make faster, just copy this code, and then we just paste it again in here, and then now if the tiny bit on the data we just type kiri, and then we'll just change the car spin the right to left. Okay, now we'll make the last conditions for the for the when the tiny bit or when there is no object or hand that can control the tiny bit, we just change the data to class 5. This is my data, and then on the car we just change the spin right to stop. Okay, on the def we can just add another. So right here for the data we can choose global data. This and there is and right here data, right, and then this. Okay, so now right here we just another tab. Okay, uh, right here we will just type again on the below of the data bluetooth dot ur, and then underscore read underscore until serial delimiter, and then uline. So now uh, okay, so now the code will is like this, and if we change to block, it will go to right here. And now I will show you on how uh, the next thing that I will show you is how to make the AI. So now right here we just go to teachable machine, and then after we just use get started, image project, standard image project, and then we just choose webcam. But for now, I will turn off my webcam because I cannot test it. So now we just open webcam in Google, allow while visiting the site. Uh, yeah, I think cannot, yeah. If I so now how it is just uh you only need it. I will pause the video first. Okay, so now this is how to make the AI model of image AI model, and then we just the class one to maju, this just mundur, and then after mundur we just add kiri kanan, and then we make another one kiri, and then for the last just class 5. Okay, so now just right here. So now I will record my hands to indicate that this is the gesture to maju. So right here, this is the example on how we do it. But I will not do it completely because I already have a model. If I record it again, it will take too much long. For mundur also the same. My gesture is like this. So this is my choice of gesture. And for kanan we just use this like this, and then for kiri we just like this, and then for class 5 it's just pretending like there is nothing like that. So now after you make that, you can just train the AI model, and then after you train the AI model, you will have a preview of the AI model, and then you can use it. Also you can export it to the teachable link to save it, and then you can also export it to your Google Drive, or you save it as a file. So now that is the example on how to make the model. So right now okay, so now I want to show you on how to use uh the what the model and the code if you already done doing that two steps, making the AI model, and then after that preparing the code. So now the next thing that you want to do is just open the AI model, and that is teachable machine, and the link that you will get from the application and the one that you save. So now this is my AI model. So to use the link on the Lofi robot, we can just copy this link and then paste it on the Lofi robot. So now the next thing that we want to do is open Lofi robot, cardboard.lofirobot.com, and now the next thing that you want to do is go to the apps, and then choose the teachable microwave app. Wait, we will wait for the okay, so now we just open the app. So now on the teachable robot, we will just robot, and then we just click start. Okay, so now I will show you the example of how to do it. Okay, so now this is the video of me. I will show you, and then we just copy the link of the model, and then we just paste it in here on the Lofi robot. So now we will wait until it done loading. Okay, so now right here, this is my model. So now as you can see, if I do this, it will maju. This is what to say, this is mundur, this is this is mundur, this is kiri, and this is kanan. So now that is the code, and that's the finished AI model. And from right here, we can just connect the device to the microbit that the Bluetooth already on. So now the next step that I want to show you is how to. I will show you the demo of the robot. But after that, I want to show you the next thing, and that is uh, if you already make the code, you will need to download it to your microbit, and then after that you can use it, and the microbit will turn on the Bluetooth service, and then we just from the Lopi robot we will just turn on the Bluetooth, and then we will connect it to the microbit device. Okay, so now I will show you the demo video. This is maju, this is mundur, and then after mundur, this is right, and then this is left. So this mundur, this is maju, this is right, this is left. Okay, so now maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.